Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoom Cloud recordings using trash and retention settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Zoom Cloud recordings, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Click on Recordings to access your recording settings. Locate the Cloud Recordings tab at the top of the page. Check the Trash option, which may be found alongside your cloud recordings. In the Trash section, you will see a list of deleted recordings. Identify the recording you wish to restore. Click on the checkbox next to the specific recording. After selecting the recording, look for the Restore button. Click the Restore button to begin the recovery process. A confirmation prompt may appear to verify your action. Confirm that you want to restore the selected recording. The recording will now be moved back to your cloud recordings list. If you do not see your recording in the trash, consider retention settings. Check your account settings to determine the retention period for deleted recordings. If the retention period has expired, the recording may be permanently deleted. To avoid future issues, regularly review your trash and retention settings. Now you have successfully restored your Zoom Cloud recording. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.